Daisy, Chris.
Cruise day!
It's cruise day!
Yay!
Yay! Bye, Calico.
And we're off.
And we're off.
With the hurricane snow piles. That's what we call them in Florida. All the debris from all the hurricanes gets piled up on the side of the curb, and it kind of looks like snow up north.
Yeah.
Except they're leaves and branches.
All right, we are on the way. We are on I-75 headed towards Miami. We've got 1 hour and 54 minutes left. 10:16 arrival for now.
Yeah.
So we stopped at the rest stop.
We're going to cluster in front of us.
And we're hitting traffic, so we'll see.
We're just on a Saturday morning.
Alrighty. Toll time.
Cha-ching. That was $3.75, folks.
375.
It's easy, Rita.
Oh, that went up.
Yep.
All right, quick pit stop at the rest area. We are back on the road.
I cut up with the slow again, but at least he's in the slow lane now.
Yeah. And now our new ETA is 10:18, so we only lost 2 minutes. Or 4 minutes.
5.
5 minutes. 5 minutes?
5 minutes?
I don't know.
10:13.
We'll check the videotape.
Let's go to the videotape. Oh, we didn't videotape when we got there, so.
Okay. I am now. All right, so we are. We're taking a pit stop again.
I didn't have to pee on the last one, now I do.
And I'm gonna pee again just because I can.
Alright, let's do a time check.
Alright.
Coming in at 10:18 arrival time. Let's see what it is when we leave.
10:18, okay. And we are on to rest area number 2 for this 2.5 hour trip. And catch you on the flip side.
6-pack.
Yeah, okay. We'll catch you on the flip side. Alright, pit stop 2 complete. And we are making our way back to the highway. It is now 10:26.
10:27.
Oh, 10:27.
9 minutes. Stop.
That was
not 9
That
minutes.
was not 9 minutes.
Gotta be traffic.
Yeah.
Sunrise! Yay, sunrise!
Oh. There she is.
Bye! Whee! Isn't it?
D. D. D.
D for dog.
D for dog.
D as in where? D first ones?
The first ones. Thank you. Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, hello. Not quite ready. You got Bacardi Spice.
Hey, look at that!
does that sound? For the next days, you don't have to clean. How does that sound? For the next few days, you don't have to go to work or school. How does that sound? I know that you are ready for a great time. I'm ready to take you through that journey, but I cannot do this on my own. There's an amazing team ready to entertain you, DJ. I think it's time for us to bring them on. I introduce to you the Carnival Sunrise Entertainment Family. Hey, 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 let's go. Hey, 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 everybody clap those hands, let's go. Hey, 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 ha, ha, ha. Hey, 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 clap your hands, let's go. To the beat, hey.